Okay, are we ready for a live unboxing of the new BBC Microbit Go? This is the V2, the one with the speaker. So, let's see what we got. Important sticker. Oh, let's see if it can come off. And inside this little box, we have, a sticker. That's fun. Getting started guide, save this. Safety guide, throw it away. And now, let's see, this is your Microbit, and this is the anti-static bag. Always good to save these. It just keeps them safe and from getting all uncharged. Inside the bag, let's see. Ooh, it's blue. So this is the Microbit V2. It's got two buttons. It's got these little pluggy things where you can clip stuff on. On the back, complicated circuitry and fun sensors and stuff. This is where you plug in the power. That's where you plug in to your computer. And this is a little button for start and reset and stuff. So we'll have a look at that. Other stuff that's in the box. Neat cardboardy thing, do not throw away. Set to the side very carefully. Underneath, okay, this is the battery case. It's got the little plug on the side and it slides open. Ooh, like that. And then we have some batteries. Slice those open. Useful fingernail. And let's see. Batteries go in the case. There's a little picture in there. Put it in like that. And like that. And then we can slide the lid back on. And it'll snap. Snap. There we go. Okay. Battery case, cool. And then we have, this is the cable, the USB cable that's going to plug into your computer. You can take the little twisty off that, throw it away. All right. So the important things are the Microbit, the bag that you can store the Microbit in to keep it nice and safe, the battery casing with its batteries inside it, the cable to plug into your computer, and then let's deal with this little cardboard thing because this is new. So if you look really carefully on it, there's like tabs and stuff and it punches open. So you can kind of tear that off very carefully. It's perforated. There we go. And green goes on the inside. So you're going to take your battery case and you want to put the plug through the hole. And then you can put it carefully in the middle. It doesn't really matter which way up this is, whichever fits best. Fits best like that for this one. Okay, and then you're going to close it up and this tab goes in this slot. Nice and secure. And then you have these that fold up, but you don't need them yet because what you need is your Microbit. So this is going to sit right on the back of the Microbit, like that. And you can use these tabs to fold them over the buttons. All this does is it keeps your battery from like floating around and hitting stuff because kids are always picking up the Microbit and like flinging the battery pack around. And then you can make the power cable go around. You're allowed to smush it a bit. Maybe it's going to go around this way best, and then you're going to plug it in. And there's this plug has a right way up and a wrong way up, so you've got to very carefully look at the shape. And I see these two little teeth go at the bottom there, so I'm going to stick that in. Oh, other way. There you go. And it goes in, oh, there we go. Goes in that far, at least. There we go, with a click. Okay, goes in that far. It's going kind of crazy. And this is the little tutorial that starts up. So it says, hello. Very slowly. Little happy face, yay. Hi. Oh, A, this is the A button. It's telling you to click the A button. Click. Yay. B, this is the B button over here. Give that a click. Ooh, now it says shake. I'll give it a little shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake. Oh! How about shake, 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 shake? Hey! That's cool. So it's kind of telling me how much I've shaked it. Shake, yay! Little shake, big shake. Big shake. Excellent. Okay. Put that down. It's gonna do the next thing. Ah, there we go. Tilt. Ooh. Oh, this is like Snake. You gotta get it over to there. Yay! Okay, I gotta get it to here. That was cool. The last thing is clap. Okay, so this is with the sound sensor. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Yay! That'll take 5 claps to go to the next one. Wow! All right. So the next thing is, it's a game. It's gonna play a game of Snake. Okay. Yeah, that's a game over. So we're gonna score is 1. Bad score. Okay, good. We're gonna play Snake now. So I'm gonna go and try to collect that. Yeah, the flashing dot. Okay, that's me. Oh no. Okay, and then you can play Snake forever. If you're all done, you can turn it off. This is the on-off button. So it will reset if you hit it once. See, it's gonna go back to the beginning. And if you want to turn it completely off, you're gonna hold the button until the light, see the light is going down and down and down and down, and then it's off, and then the whole thing's off. And now it's safe to just put back in your box. So your box, you're gonna take this whole thing, you can set it there, and you can set your cable next to it. It's also if you want to try to get it back into the bag. I don't know if the whole thing will fit. Probably will. Good design here, right? Whole thing carefully back into the bag. There we go. Now it's electrostatically protected, and you can just stick it in the box and close it up. All right, those are all the pieces of your new Microbit.